Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. Today we do have another trading session with one of my students. So we're gonna go into the market. I'm gonna show you how the process goes. And it's simple. I perform the analysis for you. I give you an entry and I break down the entry so you understand why that decision was made and you can take something out of the trade besides the money. So this is how it goes. And today we have one of my students requesting a trading session, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So if you want to also participate in these type of community, I would say services, make sure to reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro or click the link in the description below, become a member of my team. And again, we have daily trading sessions, one-on-one trading sessions, trading breakdowns, trade breakdowns, tutorials, and much more. So don't miss out on this high quality content. Join me and let's go into the market and find some opportunity. Right, so of course any trading session that we do starts with finding the right entry, right? You want to have a chart that you're going to be performing the analysis on, and this is exactly what we're looking for. We need a chart that we can make some money on. So I'm quickly skimming through. I did say that I'm going to perform the analysis beforehand, and I did. However, the market is not the best right now, and again there's a lot of tensions in the world, so it's definitely pretty hard to find good entries nowadays, but that doesn't stop us. We still are able to perform analysis to find good entries. Sometimes we take losses, but again this is part of the game, and we're gonna look through these quickly. We're gonna find an OTC asset, most likely, as there's only a few assets in real market that actually have a decent payout. So for now we're gonna try to do some OTC trading, and maybe in the end we're gonna find an asset that on real market that we can trade with. All right, we're gonna start with United States dollar IDR. This is gonna be our first entry, and we're gonna look to take a buy position. So I'm going to send a signal. United States dollar IDR OTC is going to be our first asset here, and we are going to take a buy position here. So hopefully they are prepared, and of course we're gonna send 1 minute buy, and that's it. We're gonna go in here. Again, very simple situation here. We do have a level here. Already we saw rejection pretty strongly act up here. So what I'm expecting here is actually that the price will dip down a little bit, but then it will hit the next level, and that will cause a stronger reaction here, a stronger reversal. So we place 2000 on this one, and we are all set and ready to go. So the next thing that we do once the trade is done, I'm going to break down and explain a trade to my student, why I took this, why I made this decision, and why I made this entry. But again, it's pretty self-explanatory here. We do have two levels, and you can see exactly the situation playing out how we need it to be. We do need a little bit more power here, and hopefully we do get it, but you can see the volatility is swinging in the right direction for us here, and just like that we start our trading session with a nice win here, and we're gonna send it plus and right there, and hopefully they also got it. But now is the time for us to break down. So let's take a screenshot here and let's mark out the area that we traded on, and let's do it right now, right there. So we expected a pullback to this level. However, the price did go a little bit further down here, and after that we knew that either of these levels is going to give us a strong reaction based on the history of this chart. So this is where we placed the buy position, and we expected a reversal here, and we got exactly that, a strong reversal, strong candle with a lot of volatility here, sent the price higher, and probably it will send it even higher afterwards, but it's not our concern because we took the profit where we needed. There you go, and there you go, they also got the win. Our student also got the win, so we can continue trading and we can continue looking for the next opportunity here. We did have a breakout here, and the price still might very much reverse and go back up, but again, that's not our concern. We took the profit where we needed it, and now we're looking for this entry here, and I'm already going to send the asset here, and we are going to take 1 minute sell position, and we're gonna do it now. Again, same situation here, just in the opposite direction. We are approaching a resistance level here pretty rapidly. We already see that this resistance level does give a strong reaction to the price. However, we do also see that we had multiple breakouts happen before, but what we need to account for here is that we are having a strong impulse here, but this strong impulse is already getting a little bit stopped out here as the price approaches, so we can only assume that the price will actually be driven down way more strictly, way more stronger after this candle. And this is exactly what I'm accounting here for. Again, this looks like a pretty close trade. I expected way more bearish pressure here, so we're gonna see how this goes. And again, I do think we're gonna be safe option here, 1 minute sell, as I still expect the price to drop down. So hopefully we finally will see the rejection that we actually need. And the price has broken through. However, every single time it did reverse pretty strongly, and this is what I'm betting on right here. So let's observe this. Let's see if we get. And again, once this is over, a lot of the times trading against the volatility, against the trend, can be pretty dangerous. However, here I am kind of not worried at all. I know that the price will most likely get rejected strongly within the next 15-20 seconds. And we are most likely going to get all of these trades here, and this is what we would like to see. Very simple, very easy execution. A lot of the times you don't actually need to overthink your trades. Again, you see an opportunity, you see the move, you see that the candle that you are entering on gets rejected strongly, and there you go. In the final seconds, we secure all of the wins here and get a nice and juicy win on all of our trades, and we get safe option plus right there. We send it and we break it down. Okay, our student also got it, so perfect. Sometimes, you know, when you enter safe option, they are not ready to go yet, but we got another win. And now let's break down a trade. And it's kind of hard to break down this, but again, let's try doing it. I'm going to mark out the area of our interest here. So this is our area of interest here. We did expect the price to reverse way earlier, so the price went all the way right here, and we expected it to reverse around this area and go down. However, there was no reaction, so the price continued rallying instead, and we did take a little bit of a risk here, but I did expect it to actually be going down all the way. So there you go, we broke it down. There you have it, and they saying yes, was very close, but we got it, and that's what matters in the end. All right, let's do one more trade. Ooh, we actually managed to escape in just a couple of last seconds. So let's go ahead and try to find another one, and there it is, already right there. OTC, we are going to be 1 minute buy. I'm gonna sit here for a second, and we are going to place an entry right now as the price dips a little bit. And there you go, our final trade. Again, perfect execution off of level, and our entities are OTC. And let's do a breakdown. We did trade just simply off of level right here, nothing crazy, and we just placed the trade. Again, we have a support level right here, so the price went all the way down here, touched multiple times, and just bounced off of it. This is very simple analysis, nothing crazy here, and it's probably gonna continue going upwards. And there you go. So there we have it, guys. Pretty nice trades, pretty nice execution, and we get a solid outcome here. And we finished the trading session with a solid amount of profit, pretty straightforward. There you have the trading session. We did take 2 losses, but we offset the losses with the wins on the safe option right here, which yielded us all the profit back. And I think we made around 6,000, which also makes me hit my goal. So this is how it goes. And there we have confirmation from our trader as well. They did get $190 here. So they are missing 2 trades at the top here, but you can see right there, we went in, we executed the trades. They did also enter a safe option with us. So let's ask, did you also get the last two trades? I don't see them on the list. They say yes, I did screenshot. I didn't screenshot. You want? No worries. All good. Thank you for joining, and we can do another one soon. Let me know. So just like that, we're done with the trading session, guys. We went in quickly, 6 minutes, literally took us 6 minutes. We made him $190, and this is how you can trade as well with me. So don't hesitate, reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro. You can find all of the links in the description below. Everybody's welcome. Go ahead, learn how to trade, try it yourself. It's very easy. I'm going to be helping you build up your balance very rapidly. And of course, you get access to the trading robots, trading tools, tutorials, breakdowns, trading sessions, everything that you need as a trader. I got it for you. And as usual, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. That helps a lot, and I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.